Hi, my name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. I'm very excited that you're joining me today for a little sneak peek of our March Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit. So each month we curate a gorgeous kit packed full of goodies just for you, right? We have done all the research and the design and prep so that you get right to the fun part of crafting, right? You don't have to think about it. It's all right there. We include a PDF tutorial with large pictures in it. And then I also do a video overview of the projects to give you any tips as you're getting started. So you'll definitely want to check that out. So what are we doing for March? Yes, we are featuring the Perennial Postage Bundle. So this is one of two bundles that is in the Perennial Lavender suite that is in our mini catalog. So this is a great sentiment stamp set. Of course, you can use any sentiments that you want on your projects. And these amazing dies, you definitely want these dies, right? They're perfect for all kinds of great layering and borders and fun stuff like that. So, of course, you can use what you've got at home if you don't want to use our featured products, which is fine, right? It's your way to be able to customize whatever you want to do. Would you like to see a sneak peek of the projects? Yes. All right. Let me show you real quick. I'm going to give you a flash. I'm not going to show you the insides. Now, we do the insides as well. So these are not boring cards, right? They have lots of glitz and glam and fun. We do 4 cards and 1 not a card every single month. And when the not a card includes some sort of a treat or giftable, we include that in our kit. And I know that not everyone else does that. This one's a fun fold. I'm not going to show you. That is exclusive to our participants. So this is a subscription program. This is also a fun fold. Got a little gift card holder going on there. This is a subscription program, but it's risk-free. So you try it. If you don't like it, you cancel anytime. There's no obligation to go beyond what you've paid for, right? The great thing about it being a subscription is you don't have to remember to sign up for class, right? It's done for you. You sign up once and it's like Christmas every month. I will pack it up nicely, label everything clearly, and slide it in your envelope and get that out to you the first of the month. Yes? All good stuff. If you've got any questions about the program and need a little more information, please let me know. Just leave a comment below in the video, or you can reach out to me at creativeleeyours.com. All right. Thanks so much and have a great week. Bye for now.